How's it going, guys? My name is SideZwipe, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use your e-skates. Now the first thing you want to do is obviously put your skates on, and then once you've done that, you want to go and grab your controller and turn that on, pressing this button right here. So once the controller is on, the next thing is to set up the e-skate. And how you do that is with this button here. So you want to press this button on the remote, the one below the power button, and you want to press the button on the e-skate at the same time. And then it will tell you on the controller which skate is connected. So e-skate number 2, which is this one, is connected. And if you come around the other side, you do exactly the same again. Hold them down, press them exactly the same time, and then they will be ready. And now they're connected to the controller. Okay, so now that the controller is connected to the e-skate, it's finally time to go and try out the e-skates. So let's do it. So what you want to do is the same rule as skating. You want to bend your knees, you want to lean forward. That is very important, otherwise it's going to throw you off balance. And now what we need to do, now most people would just hit the throttle straight away. You don't want to do that. You want to push off, you want to build some momentum, otherwise you will end up draining the battery. So this is what you do. Just push off with your skate and skate normally as you would. And then once you've got a bit of momentum and the wheels going, you want to hit the throttle. And now we are off. And then if we need to stop, just hit the brake by pushing the throttle down like so. And that is how to move on your electric skates. Now there are different modes to this electric skate. So that was mode number 1, that is your starting mode. I'd recommend that if you're going to be using that mode, that's the first mode that you use when you put on the e-skates. But obviously, if you're used to the e-skates and you're comfortable, you can go up to mode 2, which is your medium mode. Mode 1 takes you to about 11 kilometers an hour. Mode 2 takes you to 21 kilometers an hour. And then mode 3 is your fastest mode, which takes you to 25 to 26 kilometers an hour. So we're going to hit this button once. And now, as you can see, we are in mode 2. And now I'll show you what to do when you're in mode 2. So obviously you want to do the same again, build some momentum. And then we're off. As you can see, a lot faster than mode 1. So if you're used to your e-skates and you want to go out, go straight into mode 2. There is also another mode, which is the backwards mode, which I'm going to show you guys right now. You double tap this button. Now we are in a backwards mode, and if you guys can't see that, that arrow will be pointing down instead of up. So up is for forwards, down is for backwards. And it's exactly the same way that you'd use it to go forwards. Literally hit the throttle, obviously get some momentum going, and then we're off. Just like that. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that is how to use your e-skates. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Without ado, we're hitting mode 3 and we're off.